Hi again everyone, so now it's time for an unboxing. There's not going to be much, but let's see, we've got a pair of scissors to help us get the box open. This is just for anyone who might be interested. A lot of this I do have the matching soap and wanted to splash in order to do a complete review for you guys. And oh, what's this? Let's have a look at what we got here. Okay, 2 seconds. Whoops. And thank you for, that's the box, for the barber in Ottawa. He's got a visiting card right here, business card. Go check him out. He helped me procure these items for a very nice price. Lots of products here. Let's have a go. Let's start with, let's see, this one. Very nicely packaged this. I'll leave a link below to this page. An aftershave in a closed envelope to sort of make it extra secure. And I can smell it even if it hasn't been opened yet. And this is supposed to be this is Barristan Man, Cheshire Splash. It does contain alcohol and a lot of other great stuff. And it's a duplication or a take on what's it called? The tea Earl Grey scent, and it is a real spot on. And I love Earl Grey scent. It's very posh, in my opinion. So that's one of the things. Let's try to see if we can. Where was the other one? Yeah. Another splash. From Holy Cow, the iced tea. Containing alcohol as well. I don't get, from this, I get the scent of Earl Grey even when it's closed. And it hasn't been any leaks or anything. I don't get any scent of this, and it is sort of closed, so we'll open it up and get our first whiff. Excuse me, the hair is all over the place today. To see if it matches the soap. And it does. It does have an iced tea-ish scent to it, which is very nice, and it is mentholated with synthetic menthol as far as I recall correctly. So that was it. To complete 2 sets. So that's 2 soaps coming up. The other one I'll be unpacking here. Something that I have very much look forward to. Away with that. And it's this one. With matching splash right here. I don't recall the one who makes this. But it's called Peach Ice. And it is supposed to be a... Oh, it's a very soft cream, this. Oh, that's nice. Nice scent of peach. You don't get the... Oh, it's a Mastro Miche, if I say that correctly. And for the splash... Also a nice peach scent. This smells like fresh peach. And it's supposed to be with menthol, so I'm very excited to try this. This was very inexpensive, this set. I believe it's about $20-something, $25 for this complete set. And there's a gift included. So again, thank you for to the barber in Ottawa. He's got a very nice business card. He included this, which I believe is a travel pack razor. But let's have a look. It is. I do not know what this is. But look, I appreciate the gesture, but it won't close properly. And it feels, it's a nice gift, but it doesn't seem like it has been properly made. Look. So it was a nice gift, and Shanghai something, yeah. Blades, I will try out the blades, but I won't be using this to shave, that's for sure. Not sure if the case seems close, so that might be worth investigating. Anyway, I appreciate the gesture very much. So that was Peach and Ice, has a nice lovely scent, a creamish tone. Cheshire Aftershave Splash, scent of Earl Grey, magnificent. And the Holy Cow iced tea, very nice, subtle scent of iced tea. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching this small unboxing, and that's sort of the products that we'll be having to look forward to in the future. Stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.